In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your subscribers' workflow steps in Mailerlite Classic. Let's get started. First, head over to the Mailerlite website to access a tool that is handy for creating email marketing campaigns your audience will love. Once you've reached their homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. When prompted, you'll have the choice to log in using several methods, including the option to sign in with Google, which is both fast and secure. Just click on Sign in with Google, follow the usual authorization process, and you'll be on your way. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to the dashboard. What you'll want to do next is click on Subscribers from the menu. This takes you to a section where all subscriber related activities are managed. Now look for the option that says Groups and click it. Groups in Mailerlite are a way to organize subscribers based on specific criteria, making management more efficient. To demonstrate how you can organize your subscribers, let's create a new group. Just click Create Group, then you'll be asked to name it. For our purposes, let's call it Single Subscriber. Once you've typed that in, immediately click Create. Now that you have your group, the next logical step is to populate it with subscribers. Go back to the All Subscribers page. Now find and click on Add Subscribers. This step is crucial because it allows you to choose how you want to add them. Simply opt for Add Single Subscriber. In the fields provided, input the subscriber's email and, if desired, type in their name as well. Moving forward, click Add an existing group and select Single Subscriber from the list. To finish up this section, hit the Add Subscriber button. This effectively adds the individual to your newly created group. Now, let's shift gears to setting up a new campaign. Navigate to Campaigns in the menu bar, then click Create Campaign. You'll want to choose Regular Campaign from the options available. Here, you'll be prompted to type in a campaign name and its subject. These serve as identifiers and help recipients understand what the email is about. After entering these details, click on Click to add your recipients. From the choices, select Single Subscriber, then click Select. The next step is straightforward. Just click on Next Content. This redirects you to the content building stage where you should select a template that fits your message. Once chosen, click Choose. Spend some time editing the campaign to align with your objectives and audience preferences. When satisfied, finalize your edits by clicking Done Editing. Finally, the grand finale, click on Send to shoot your campaign off into your subscribers' inboxes. And there you have it, you've just walked through managing workflow activities for subscribers in Mailerlite Classic.